Hi, class. I just wanted to say a few words about the annotated bibliographies that you need to write for this week. First of all, I gave you a sample of the of one annotated bibliography, and you will see that at the top you have a citation in APA style of the source, right? And then beneath it, you will explain what your source is about. So basically, it's kind of like a mini abstract of the source. Or what is that article about, or book, or whatever the source is. The last two sentences are basically sentences on how that source is pertinent to your paper, to your research paper. So keep this in mind. Also, over the years, I always have students who submit short annotated bibliographies. Please look at the length of the bibliography that I have posted. It's very important. It's not just about that you need to have a certain amount of sentences or a certain amount of lines, but it's about that you are giving us information about that source. So when I read your annotated bibliography, I will know exactly what to expect from that source, what I can find in it, what are the important points in that source. Yes, you can give your opinion whether or not the source is maybe valid or not, or how useful it is. But just remember, in the last two parts, the last two sentences, you need to explain how that source is important for your research, your specific research paper that you will be turning in after week 6. Okay? So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. You will need annotated bibliographies for all of your sources. Okay, so for all of your sources that you turned in up till now, which is 6 to 8, right? So make sure you have enough. Also, I wanted to say that be sure that your annotated bibliographies are on those sources that are really important for your paper. So don't just grab any, sources and do the annotations. So that's another aspect that you need to keep in mind, because often I have students who turn in annotated bibliographies, but then they find out that those sources are not okay for them. So then we have a problem, because you will be turning in these annotated bibliographies again with your research paper. So you will be turning them in now at the end of week 5, right? That is, you'll be posting them in the discussion area, and then you will be turning them in together with the research paper. Okay, so keep in mind, you need to have sources that are that you will just use in your paper. Okay? Okay, great. Thank you.